Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are greatly blessed with health and and everyone at your home will be safe and sound with the grace of Allah Almighty. And today's activity is about of the lesson the parrot visits, and let's try to do the today's work and understand it. And today's activity is about word sentences. In word sentences we have some words which we will try to make sentences. Let's try to understand the meaning of the words one by one, then we will try to make sentences. Visit. First one is visit. Visit is, if you revise the word synonyms, then you will find the meaning of this word: trip, outing, journey. Stay. Stay means ठहरना, spending time, spending area, staying area, living area, any place you can say that. Highest. Highest means tallest, topest, सबसे बुलंद, सबसे ऊंचा. शेयरिंग, बांटना, शराकतदारी करना, हिस्सा लेना, बताना. Parrot. Parrot is basically a bird, you know it better. Okay, let's try to make sentences of these words. First one, visit. First you have, dear students, first you have to make your own sentences. If you are not able to do that, then you will take help from these word sentences. And first make sure that honestly you will do an effort for making sentences. Okay, we shall visit library for observation. हम लाइब्रेरी किस लिए विज़िट करेंगे? किस लिए? ऑब्जर्वेशंस के लिए, यानी कि मुशाहदे के लिए, मुख्तलिफ़ चीज़ों को नोट करने के लिए. सेकेंड वन, वी शुड नॉट स्टे अलोन आउटसाइड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. हमें घर से बाहर ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं ठहरना चाहिए. With hard work we can get the highest marks in the class. Yes, highest marks in the exams. हम मेहनत से सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स हासिल कर सकते हैं. शेयरिंग, वी कैन सॉल्व आवर प्रॉब्लम्स बाय शेयरिंग गुड आइडियाज़. अगर हमारे पास अच्छे आइडियाज़ हैं तो अगर हम उनको शेयर करते हैं तो क्या हो सकता है, हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स, एक दूसरे की प्रॉब्लम क्या कर सकते हैं, शेयर सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लास्ट वन इज़ द पैरेट एंड यू विल मेक द सेंटेंस ऑफ दिस योर ओन. Okay, next we have the diary. Diary consists of two parts. One is about word sentences and second one is about book activities. Do homework of word sentences on your neat notebook. Dear students, I am repeating again. You have to do the homework of these words on your neat notebook and you will make your own sentences. And second part is book activities. For solving the book activities, you have to read the lesson again. And activities about on book page number 3 and 9 and 10. And question number is 3 and 4. Dear students, I hope that you will be able to do these activities easily, and also take care of yourself and your loved ones, and also work hard for making yourself able to do something better in the coming time, in the future time. I hope you will follow and understand the lesson of today. Thank you.